My name's Amanda, and I'm from Simi Valley, California. Sure. My experience at Sattva Yoga Academy has been absolutely transformative. It's taken me out of my comfort zone, made me face fears that I didn't know I had, and helped me learn to truly love myself and everyone around me where I'm at, what I'm doing, exactly in the moment that I'm doing it. I heard of Sattva through a friend of a friend, and it seems more that Sattva found me than I found Sattva. I had been looking for a while for programs, and when I came across Sattva, it just seemed like the right fit. I didn't have any hesitation, and I got on the program as soon as I could. It's been all around absolutely amazing. Absolutely, 100%. I would tell them that it's really intense and very transformative, so don't come here if you're looking for an easy way out, but it's 100% worth it in every way.